Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix HP laptop not turning on and not charging. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if your HP laptop isn't turning on or charging, here's what you can do, or you could try to fix this issue. So this is a quite simple method that often works when laptop has power issues. So first, make sure your laptop is actually completely off. Then unplug any external devices you have connected, like for example any USB mouse or external devices you have like keyboards or any other device, so anything that you have connected. Now in this case, sometimes this can actually interfere with the power. Now next that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and disconnect the charger from the laptop. Now press and hold the power button on the for about 30 seconds on your laptop. Now, make sure to hold it the entire time. Don't let go early. So because this step is really important to drain any leftover power on your laptop. Now, after 30 seconds are up, plug the charger back in. Now try pressing the power button again on your laptop, and in this case it will actually turn on. Now in this case, see if that solves the issue. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.